How to use PayPal Pay Later. So the first thing you'll need to do is look for a online store that accepts PayPal, and then you'll need to choose PayPal at the checkout as a payment option, and then just sign in to your to your PayPal account. And if you're eligible, you can basically select Pay Later after you sign into your PayPal at the checkout, and you can choose then to pay in for or use monthly payments or whatever is generally available for you. And then you can just review the payment schedule, fees, and terms and accept them. And once you confirm the plan that you chose for the payment, you typically pay the first installment immediately. You get charged for it immediately, and the remaining payments are automatically charged on the scheduled dates. And again, the availability of the BNPL or the Buy Now Pay Later feature, depending on your country. Certain countries, this option might be blocked or not available. And also the credit eligibility and the purchase amount depends on the account status and the purchase amount as well. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.